Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a scale model of one of the craziest MPV you could see, because I don't think you would buy this because this was a one-off. This is a Renault Espace F1 and it's new for 2025, and as the name suggests, it's a Espace van but with a flavor of F1. If I'm not wrong, it produced somewhere between 800, I think close to 800 horsepower, and it had a V10 mounted in the middle of the car rather than in the front. Yeah, so we talked about the actual car. Let's open it up and see how this model looks. So here's the Renault Espace F1 out of its box. First thing first, I like the paint job on it. It looks really cool, yellow with black, and there's silver vents. They look really cool. So does the wheel, they suit the car. Let's start from the front. Up front, you've got some nice details. You've got detailed headlamp, a Renault logo. You got both the mirrors, big grille, which all looks nice. So if you, even from the front, you can look at that big spoiler in the back. A huge wing actually. So also, you've got the wipers, which look good. I do like the black trim around it. Those are very different, like Renault Espace was a very different car. I'm glad they tried to have the shape of the actual mirror, because most of the time Hot Wheels or Matchbox, even sometimes Matchbox, they will just do a random mirror. This one looks good. Now, let's go to the driver's side and see. So on the driver's side, I talked about this before, these wheels look nice, they suit the car. You got the two doors, the big vents here. Let's got the Espace F1 written on the side. Look at that wing, man, it's huge. It belongs to a racing car. This is a racing van. B-pillar is body color, and when you go to C-pillar it's black. Looks good, looks cool. No major details on the door handles, they are body matched kind of. Coming to the rear, again, some good details, but it misses out on a lot of other details. Like you can see how wide the body is compared to the actual car. You can see there's place for tail lamps, brake lamp, number plates, but none of them are detailed. You can also see the single wiper in the back. Base is also yellow, as you can see here. So you see slight different in color, metal to plastic. Coming to the passenger side, looks almost identical. If you look from the top, you can see how wide the body is, how far, maybe this will give you a good view, how far the body goes out. So it was designed, it was a one-off design just to show you can do a crazy van. Interior is finished in black and the glass are slightly tinted, so I can't really show much inside. Overall, I really like this car. I'm glad Hot Wheels did it. These are the vehicles you don't really see on, based on the actual road going vehicles, and they are something special. So I'm glad Hot Wheels did it, and I hope they do more vehicles like this, like the crazy Clio Renault did, I think with the W12. No, sorry, that was Golf with the W12, but the Clio also had a big engine in the back. So they did a lot of stuff, and I'm glad Hot Wheels is doing this. So, should you get this? Of course you should. It looks really cool, and if you can detail the tail lamps, it's gonna look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.